Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh and welcome to another video. Today I will define what is Bai'ul Ajal or Bai' Mu'ajjal. Bai' means sell purchase transaction and Ajal means time. So in Bai'ul Ajal it is simply sell purchase transaction in which commodity or goods are delivered on spot and the price is deferred. It means that the seller is providing goods or commodity on spot and the buyer will pay the price after some time, and they are agreed on the price, and the price is decided, certain, fixed from the day of signing the contract. Bai'ul Ajal has no link with the time period, and the price will not be affected with the time period. For example, one cannot say that I am selling this goods to you and the price is 100 if you are paying after 1 month. The price is 200 if you are paying after 2 months. The price is 300 if you are paying after 3 months. It is not allowed in Islamic Sharia law. The price should be fixed when the contract is being signed or the deal is done from the day one, and then the seller is giving option or choice to the buyer that yes, you can pay the price after some time. This is Bai'ul Ajal or Bai' Mu'ajjal in English. It means sell purchase with a deferred payment. Thank you and Jazakallahu khairan. Thank you for watching this video. If you learned something new, like the video and subscribe the channel if you want to learn more about Islamic banking industry, Islamic matrimonial and family problems, solutions and advice for an ideal life.